Welcome to a quick feature demo of Joule agents, with a focus on the International Trade Classification Agent. You'll see how the agent helps classify products faster and more accurately by combining AI-assisted recommendations with legal reasoning, while keeping humans in control. What if classifying international trade products took minutes, avoiding hours of manual research and guesswork? Many products can be classified easily, but some may fall under multiple customs headings, increasing risk and research efforts. The International Trade Classification Agent reasons and acts to gather relevant product information, apply custom rules, and explain its recommendations step by step, so users can make confident classification decisions. An unclassified wrist fitness tracker appears in the classification task. When the user selects Generate Proposals, the agent gathers relevant product information and opens a guided wizard. The agent compiles a product data sheet with the option to exclude unnecessary details. Once confirmed, the agent creates a complete product profile. The agent analyzes the product profile and generates trade classification proposals based on function, materials, composition, features, and packaging. It then ranks 4 options based on customs taxonomy and applicable rules. The agent recommends commodity codes for wristwatches, while also evaluating alternatives such as smartwatches and articles of plastic. It provides a summary and detailed reasoning to explain each classification path. The agent analyzes applicable legal notes to support accurate classification. When users need additional context, the agent can explain the relevant legal notes. After reviewing the agent's reasoning, the user selects the best fit proposal, and the classification is posted back to the Trade Classification app. With the International Trade Classification Agent, trade specialists can classify products more efficiently while keeping control. The agent saves time on complex tasks by reducing classification effort by up to 50%. It also helps enhance supply chain resilience by applying customs rules consistently and supporting confident, auditable decisions that reduce compliance risk. To learn more, please contact us today.